hand and shoulder. Pussy shoulder get up. Blessings for your head.
I'm gonna give you guys top quality content.
Make me go so loco, make me go crazy. We would make a beautiful baby. Knock on wood, is you trying to date me? Is it yes?
So hi guys, welcome to another one of my cute videos. I wanted to kind of like chit chat with you guys as we get into this vlog, just for you guys to, you know, just for us to catch up a little bit. You guys a mini update, if that even makes sense. Mini life update. Living in a foreign country, it's also something that's very difficult to kind of like cope with. Yeah, so apparently you guys know that I've been gym hunting. I think I told you, was it in my last vlog or the previous vlog? I told you guys that I was gym hunting. And then after I make arrangements, like we talk about everything. Oh, the one thing is that they had a cat. And guys, I don't like animals, but I don't like cats at all. Like, I hate cats with so much passion. That thing was really troubling me. Like, I kept asking myself, I was like, how will I go to work out of this place with having a cat everywhere in my space, and I also don't like the hair because I've got breathing issues. That triggers people with breathing issues. They tell me like, hey, sorry, all our members are allergic to foreigners scent, so we're not able to have you in our gym. We are so sorry for the inconvenience, and also we cannot do anything about our cat. It just has to be everywhere in the place. The cat, I understand, because maybe it's theirs, but initially what they told me when I first went there was that they could put the cat in the cage whenever I'm there. When I'm done, they could remove it out, or they can put specific hours or when the cat to be out and all that stuff. So I was being like, okay, these people are nice, even considering me that I communicated to them about that. But honestly, even if they were not okay with keeping the cat, I don't myself that I have to think about it, whether to adjust or just go to a different gym. But they offered that they're gonna do that. I was like, these people are quite understanding. I was so happy. Like, guys, I arranged everything. They even had a trainer. I was hoping to start having like a gym trainer there and all that stuff. Like, I was looking for it. I saved up the money. Actually still have the money right now. Let me show you guys in case you think I'm joking. Just give me a second. Let me show you guys the money. This is the money that's supposed to go for my gym membership, but it's still here. I haven't paid. So guess what I have to do today again? I have to start gym hunting again. I've been trying to search for other gym places like online and all that stuff, and I don't like knowing that I've cleared something off and me going back to start redoing it again when I was hoping to clear it off as soon as possible. Guys, I have not worked out in like over a month, and I really I'm craving to be in the gym right now. I'm just craving to work out. I'm just craving to just be in that space. I think one thing about gym, there's also a certain way that it makes you feel mentally as well. Like, you just feel, I don't know, I think only the gym girlies are going to understand, but you just feel way more put together when you go to the gym. And I feel like I've been lacking that feeling that I'm craving to feel, craving to have. And there's a part of me that feels like, should I just go back to my previous gym because it's very close by, it meets all my requirements except the time, you know? And I'm just like, should I just keep? But guys, I'm always back home around 7:30 and they close at 8. So if I start my day very early, I cannot work out. And if I wake up in the morning like now, I can't go work out as well because they only open the gym at 12, you get. So how do I wait for 12 when by 10-11 I have to leave my house, you know? So that only problem is time, and I find myself not working out for over a week or two simply because my gym closes very late or early. I'm so stuck right now. But anyway, I'm going to try gym hunt today again. Let me see if I can find other gyms. If not, I guess I have no choice but to settle for my own gym. But I don't want to, I'm not gonna lie. Like, to be honest, this is one of the struggles that I've really had with living in China. Guys, there are some hotels where they'll tell you, sorry, we don't allow foreigners, we don't allow foreigners. Like, and I'm like, what's wrong with a foreigner living in a hotel room? Like, you are paying, you've got security, you've got cameras. What's wrong with a foreigner living in this hotel room? Very difficult, guys. You'd be sitting in the metro, people are standing, you are sitting on the metro, and they don't want to sit just because there's a foreigner there. The moment you leave the metro, they'll go and sit in the same spot that you sat in. Guys, like, you know, there are some times where people stand the whole way. I think my fellow foreigners can testify to this, the people that live in China. Like, you'd be like, there's space right next to me, why aren't you sitting? They'll be standing the whole way just because they don't want to be next to a foreigner. Or maybe maybe you enter a metro, you see a vacant space, you go sit, they stand out there. But bro, the racism is crazy. Anyway, guys, I've talked about that thing for too long. I'm only talking about this because it really pissed me off. I'm not going to lie. I like talking to you guys when I'm doing something, maybe doing my makeup, doing my hair, right now I just feel like I also want to concentrate on talking to you guys without me getting carried away by doing other things. And the other thing I need to share with you guys is, sorry for that, yeah, the other thing I need to share with you guys is, I think I told you guys about becoming more feminine. I want to show you guys, I want to really become very feminine. Oh, I just feel like I'm outgrowing a lot of things right now. Not dress code really, because I feel like I'm an all-in-one type of girl. Like if I need to dress sassy, I'm gonna dress sassy. If I need to dress formal, I'm gonna dress formal. If I need to dress casual, I'm gonna be casual. I think I wear all types of outfits. But this is the first bag. I got this bag. I actually got this bag a month ago, but I haven't opened it ever since. I only saw it when I was buying it. This is the first formal bag I'm having, and I'm so excited. So excited to actually have a bag like this because all my bags are very mini. Kind of formal bags I have are those dinner bags. Let me show you guys. These are like more formal type of bags I have. I don't know how to describe this type of bags, but like the big formal lady type of vibe. I think you guys get what I'm saying. Like maybe if I'm traveling, I have such a bag, not a casual bag or a backpack. Like, you know, those, I think you guys get the vision I'm trying to give you. I'm gonna give you guys a mini unboxing on my bed because right now I feel like it's going to look a bit chaotic and I don't want that for you guys. I'm gonna give you guys top quality content, okay?
Some people live for the fortune. Some people live for the fame. People live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. Feeding you, baby. If I ain't got you, baby. Some people want tambourine, some just want everything.
So that's the first thing I wanted to like. I hope I keep managing to keep being not really being feminine really because I feel I'm already feminine to some extent, but I just want to keep adding more feminine things to my life and just embrace femininity, embrace being a woman, and embrace, you know, womanhood. Yeah. And then besides that, guys, I don't know if I told you guys, but my housemate is actually like getting married. So I feel like very soon I might need to talk about the next step for my life right now. And it's been a good experience, honestly speaking. It's been a very good experience. I feel like if there's one thing that I've been very blessed with, guys, is drama. Like there's no drama in my life. There are some people that I talk to, guys, and they just have so much drama, which is interesting to hear. Like I like listening to tea, like gist me, but for me, my life is boring. There's no drama at all. I'm always hearing that I don't have drama to give about my own life, whatever. That I like. update. So today is a new day in Hefei. Okay, and of course I'm by Christine's crib and we're about to start off. Okay, we're about to start getting ready. Want to go there for brunch. I ate something that's really reacted with my face and it's really doing me bad. Oh my god. It's like, you know, one thing about me, it's like there's just always one thing going on in my life. There's just always one, it's just always one thing after the other, one thing after the other. I don't even understand. There's some music playing. I hope it's not being heard in my video. Let me just pause it. Yeah, I like the lighting at her balcony. It's very, very nice. It's actually very cutesy. I'm having big reactions. Like, I've been having a face mask. Guys, yesterday I wanted to cry. Like, to be honest, yesterday it was hitting me so hard. I wanted to just cry because of how it's really doing me bad. But at the same time, I'm just like, you know what, whatever, it's life. I'm still going to enjoy myself with my friends, okay? And I'm not going to allow anything to come in between, because one thing I'm starting to accept and learn about life is that there will always be something going on. Guys, there's never going to be a time where everything is perfect. So it's just up to you to embrace the little that you always have. So right now, I'm just grateful that God made it possible for me to be here, for me to have a great time, and for me to socialize, for me to be able to interact with friends. But anyway, guys, let me see if I can start getting ready. The moment I just leave the shower, and maybe when she's back or something like that, maybe I'm going to vlog. But for now, I just want to say hello, and this is a new day in the vlog. Outfit check.
Period.
Okay. Twinning. Coincidentally, we did not know we had the same shirts. I hope that music does not get me copyrighted. We did not know that we had the same shirts. Okay. But yeah, she's rocking baby pink. I'm rocking
Pink.
is this hot pink or pink? I don't know really. But let's get ready, guys, and let's go have some brunch. I guess we'll show you guys our ootd when we're downstairs.
Later. Like the lighting would be nice.
Yeah, it's giving. Hey, madam.
Okay.
Show us your outfit.
Check.
Uh-huh.
I'm wearing
Uh-huh.
top online, buttons online,
Online wear.
online, Taobao.
Uh-huh. Then shoes.
1688.
1688. Period. You look what? You look stunning, baby.
What are you wearing?
My hair, my outfit, Dodo.
Yeah.
My bag was a gift from my man. I'm joking. Okay, yeah, this bag was a gift. Okay.
Yeah.
My hair from a seller in Guizhou. Yep,
Period.
Cuánto cuerpo en el mío. Aquí hay rosas. La hay necesidad de jugar tu rol. Por favor, no me lo pases. Consolidated.
Me too. I'm starting to get hungry. It's nice, actually. It doesn't have. Guys, we're now by the brunch place, and oh my god, this place is so nice. I'm actually getting ready to start like making a TikTok video for this place because I'm so obsessed with it. It's so calm, it's so reserved, it's just giving relaxed, calm vibes. And the food, I'm looking forward to tasting the food when I'm guys along. So yeah, I just sort of saying hello, and we're now at the place. We now want to take a few pictures and a few reels, and you guys, I'm so happy.
My time 20. Baby, it's in my time 20. Baby, it's in my time 20. Baby, it's in my time 20.
Go outside. Big time forward. The star boy there. Jealous people around me, I need to change my life. I just turn colder every time I try. What would I do without you, my Georgie? I don't feel that way with